In the other issue that is very important under what I've been discussing with our friends in Latin America, and specifically in the framework of a seminar we organized, INTA organized in Chile some months ago, is the issue of infringement and cease and desist orders. And it was very surprisingly, I don't know what's the experience in other countries, very surprising to see that there are countries such like, for example, Chile and Colombia, where cease and desist orders take a lot of time and the authorities and judges are quite reluctant to give or to enact or cease and desist orders in infringement cases, and it takes a lot of time and it's quite complicated. While in my country, Peru, is like 98% are granted. So there's some sort of asymmetry in the treatment in these matters, and that it was subject to a discussion. So I would like to raise that two important issues is the issue of trade names and trademarks, and the relationship with domain names. That is something that is growing. It's more important within the framework of the. And certainly, what is very important for the private sector and to entrepreneurs is cease and desist orders, where, at least for what we discussed in this INTA seminar in Latin America, there are countries who are quite active in this matter where others aren't. So that is something I believe we should discuss further and try to understand what is going on in this particular matter. Thank you very much.
Louis mentioned about the domain name registrars. Recently, our experience has been slightly different than what he explained. In fact, Indian courts have been passing certain suspension orders or blocking the access orders against infringing domain names. But the domain name registrars are now insisting that not only the Indian court should pass an order, but the court where they are based should also pass virtually a mirror order. They're insisting on a second order being passed before they implement it. So this is the new challenge which we are facing.